Let's recall the important concepts about radical functions.
Consider f of x equal to the square root of x plus 3. Take note that the function is defined under the set of real numbers. Notice that if we will substitute a number that is less than negative 3, the function is not defined since the result is the square root of a negative number. Recall that the square root of a negative number is an imaginary number. The smallest number that we can substitute for x such that the function exists is negative 3. Substituting negative 3 to x, we will have the square root of negative 3 plus 3. Simplifying, we will have the square root of 0. Simplifying further, we will arrive at 0. 0 is a real number. We can say that the domain of the function is from negative 3 to positive infinity, while the range is from 0 to positive infinity. We graph the function f of x is equal to the square root of x plus 3. This supports our claim that the function is defined for all x's such that x is greater than or equal to negative 3. Let's explore the one-sided limits. Consider the limit of the square root of x plus 3 as x approaches negative 3. Since our a at which x approaches to is negative 3 and the function is defined under the set of real numbers, and that the domain of the function is from negative 3 to positive infinity, we will have a one-sided limit that is the limit of the square root of x plus 3 as x approaches negative 3 from the right. Evaluating the limits of the given function using its graph, we can see that as the value of x approaches negative 3 from the right is 0. Hence, the limit of the square root of x plus 3 as x approaches negative 3 from the right is 0.